Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use Odoo POS step by step. We'll cover product setup, sales processing, payment methods, inventory synchronization, and reporting so you can run your retail operations smoothly and efficiently. What is Odoo POS? Odoo Point of Sale or POS is a cloud-based application within Roller Odoo ERP system. It helps you manage sales transactions, inventory, customer interactions, and payments in a fast, intuitive interface optimized for touchscreen devices like tablets, laptops, and barcode scanners. Key features: works online and offline, supports multiple payment methods, real-time inventory synchronization, customer loyalty programs, integrated with Odoo accounting, inventory, and CRM. Number 2. Who is Odoo POS for? Retail stores, fashion, electronics, groceries, restaurants and cafes, pop-up shops or mobile vendors, multi-store chains, business needing centralized sales, inventory, and CRM. But if you already use Odoo for other business processes, adding POS will unlock a fully integrated retail system. Number 3. How to install Odoo POS. Odoo POS is part of the Odoo ecosystem. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Sign up for Odoo. Visit www.odoo.com. Choose Start Now and create a free trial account. Select your industry and apps. Make sure to choose Point of Sale. Step 2. Access your dashboard. Once inside, the Odoo dashboard shows all your installed modules like Point of Sale, Inventory, Sales, Invoicing. Click Point of Sale to enter the POS module. Number 4. Setting up a POS shop. Before selling, configure your POS session. Step 1. Create a POS shop. Go to Point of Sale, Configuration, Point of Sale. Click Create. Fill in POS name, example, Downtown Store. POS type, shop or restaurant. Choose default salesperson and warehouse. Optional, configure IoT box if using physical hardware. Step 2. Configure payment methods. Go to Configuration, Payment Methods. Add methods like cash, credit or debit card, mobile payment, example, Apple Pay, QR codes. You can also connect third-party payment providers like Stripe or Adyen. Number 5. Adding products to sell. To start selling, your POS needs products in its catalog. Step 1. Add products. Go to Products, Products. Click Create. Add product name, sales price, product type, storable, consumable, service, barcode if using scanner, product image. Step 2. Assign products to POS. Under Point of Sale tab, enable Available in POS. Set product category, taxes, and visibility. Pro tip: you can also bulk import products using a CSV file for faster setup. Number 6. Starting a POS session. Step 1. Launch POS interface. Go to Point of Sale, Dashboard. Click New Session on your POS configuration. The system will open the POS interface in a new tab. Step 2. Sell a product. Tap the product on the screen. Modify quantity or price if needed. Tap Payment. Select payment method and validate. A receipt will be printed or show on screen depending on your hardware setup. Number 7. Managing payments and receipts. Payment options. You can accept multiple payments for a single order. Split payments. Example, part cash, part card. Tips, especially useful for restaurants. Gift card or voucher redemptions. Requires additional modules. Presets. Configure under Point of Sale. Configuration, POS. Customize receipt footer with return policy or thank you message. Enable digital receipts via email or QR code. Number 8. Customer management in POS. POS can operate in guest mode, or you can attach customers to transactions for loyalty and invoicing purposes. Step 1. Add customer during sale. Tap customer on the POS screen. Choose existing or create new. Add details like name, phone number, email, loyalty card number. Step 2. Loyalty and promotions, optional. Install the loyalty module. Create reward points, discount tiers, and promos. Customers earn points per purchase and redeem for discounts. Applying discounts and promotions. Odoo POS allows flexible discount options. Apply line item discounts manually. Apply total order discounts from payment screen. Configure automatic promotions using the Odoo Promotions module. Example: buy 2 get 1 free. 10% of all beverages. Happy hour pricing from 4 to 6 p.m. This can be configured under Point of Sale. Promotions require sales and price list modules. Number 10. POS reporting and analytics. Understanding your sales performance is key. Available reports, daily sales summary, payment method breakdown, top selling products, sales by employee, session history. How to access? Go to Point of Sale, Reporting. Export to Excel or PDF. Use filters by date, user, or product category. Pro tip: link POS with Odoo Accounting for automatic journal entries and real-time financial data. Number 11. Inventory synchronization. POS automatically syncs inventory with your central warehouse. Real-time updates: when a product is sold in POS, stock is deducted in inventory. If stock runs out, Odoo can lock the sale or show a warning. You can view available stock in POS via Product Tooltips. Stock adjustments. Go to Inventory, Operations, Inventory Adjustments. Make manual corrections if needed. Number 12. Restaurant mode features. If you run a restaurant or cafe, enable restaurant mode. Activate restaurant mode. In POS configuration, check is a bar or restaurant. Set table layout, kitchen or bar printers, and menus. Additional features: table management with drag and drop layout. Split bills by customer. Kitchen order tickets or KOTs. Waiter assignments. Ideal for fine dining, food trucks, or cafes. Number 13. POS hardware integration. Odoo POS works with barcode scanners, receipt printers, touchscreen monitors, cash drawers, IoT box, or USB integration. You can order hardware via Odoo partners or use existing devices. Setup is available under Point of Sale, IoT devices. Number 14. Offline mode. Worried about internet drops? Odoo POS supports offline transactions. All sales data is stored in the browser. Once connection is restored, it syncs back to the server. No sales lost during a power or Wi-Fi outage. Number 15. Pro tips for success. Train staff with demo mode before going live. Use categories to group products by time. Set up user roles to control permissions. Backup data regularly. Use custom dashboards with Odoo Studio Advanced. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Odoo POS to manage sales, inventory, and customer transactions more efficiently. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical retail, business, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.